Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today is 3 meals a day on a high sugar diet. What I ate started off my first meal at 1:30 p.m. after a workout. I was fasted throughout the day, just had water throughout the morning. And my first meal I had was a big smoothie, super delicious. It had 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 2/3 cup almond milk, 2/3 cup coconut water. It had a tablespoon of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I had 3 frozen bananas that were nice and ripe. I thawed them in hot water for 4 minutes to de-thaw so I can get in the smoothie. Has a really good consistency with that. And this was a frozen packet of acai. So I've been adding that into my smoothie bowls lately. Really delicious. Then I blended that all up and I turned it into a smoothie bowl. And then I ended up adding a sliced banana on top, as well as more frozen blueberries. My second meal was at 5 p.m. and I made a big salad. This had a big bowl of greens, it had a sliced up cucumber, an avocado, an apple, and several baby carrots. Make sure you get in your greens. I have a salad at least 5 to 6 days a week. And for my third meal of the day, I started with a Sumo Citrus and this can of golden pineapple. I like this because it's just one ingredient, pineapple, and it's super delicious. Then I had a banana with a big bowl of veggie curry over rice. And then just after that, I had some Mary's crackers and hummus. And that was it. Now, if you haven't checked out my plant-based recipe ebook, go check it out. It's in the description box below the video. I have some of my favorite recipes in there. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.